Probably shouldn't have blown leaves right at the camera.
Hello, kids!
What's going on, guys? Today is going to be a crazy day. It is mid-December. Our first big snowfall's coming. 3 to 5 inches of snow. But yet, we have one problem. We still have tons of leaves in our yard that we got to get picked up before the snow starts. In what? 2 hours? Time's a cooking. Well, it's totally starting to snow now. Got about half the front yard picked up, and we're not going to be able to finish the rest. But at least I got enough picked up so we can set up Christmas lights tomorrow. We've still got pumpkins on our doorstep from Halloween. Brayden's going to help me dispose of them right now. Here they are. 1, 2, 3. And a rotted pumpkin. Oh man, look at that guy. All right, we got to load up your truck.
Yeah.
Back it up a little bit. Perfect, right there.
Oh. He's already got big.
Yeah.
Oh.
Now we gotta go dump the pumpkins.
Hey, pumpkin!
Go over here.
A little mystery pumpkin. That one.
Down the hill.
That one 10 feet long.
Here, don't do this one yet. Ready? I'm gonna grab the camera and follow it. Ready? Do it that one too. Go.
You almost went that far.
Dude, that was awesome. Pumpkins disposed of. Yes. All right. I'm gonna beat you back there. So hopefully we got enough of the leaves raked up in front of the house where we can still decorate for Christmas tomorrow with the lights. Even though it's gonna snow tonight. It'll be fun tomorrow. That side of the yard, not so much picked up.
Slam it, Dada.
All right, so I know I said we were gonna end the vlog, but here we are now. It's snowing out really good, and we're still at it. Brayden's got his little lawnmower pushing leaves around. We're having a good time. Who does this? Leaf blows in the snow. Don't eat that snow, it's dirty, Brayden. Where are you eating that snow from? On top of the stump?
Well, some here.
All right, don't do that. I'm thinking I probably should have raked the leaves before it started snowing, like weeks ago, not in December. All right, guys, we're gonna head back inside now and warm up a little bit. Maybe. Brayden, say bye.
Bye.
Look at me.